this lesson, we're going to talk about a powerful SEO strategy called keyword clustering. Most beginners make a simple mistake in SEO. They try to create one separate page for every keyword. But modern SEO doesn't work like that anymore. Search engines like Google are now smart enough to understand topics, not just individual keywords. And that's exactly where keyword clustering becomes important. So first, let's understand what keyword clustering actually means. Keyword clustering simply means grouping similar keywords together that have the same search intent. Instead of writing different articles for every keyword, you create one strong page that targets multiple related keywords. For example, imagine your main topic is SEO tools. You might find related keywords like best SEO tools, free SEO tools, SEO tools for beginners, top SEO tools in 2025. All of these keywords are related and share the same intent. So instead of writing 4 separate articles, you can create one comprehensive article that covers all of them. This is keyword clustering. Now, you might ask, why is keyword clustering important for SEO? There are 3 main benefits. First, it helps you rank for multiple keywords with one page. Instead of ranking for just one keyword, your page can rank for dozens of related search queries. Second, it helps you create stronger and more comprehensive content. Search engines prefer content that covers a complete topic, not just a small piece of information. When your page answers multiple related questions, it becomes more valuable for users. Third, it helps you avoid keyword cannibalization. Keyword cannibalization happens when multiple pages on your website compete for the same keyword. This can confuse search engines and hurt your rankings. Keyword clustering solves this problem by organizing keywords into clear topic groups. Now, let's quickly see how to create keyword clusters. Step 1. Start with a main keyword. Example, email marketing tools. Step 2. Use keyword research tools to find related keywords. Step 3. Group keywords that have similar meaning or search intent. Step 4. Create one comprehensive article that naturally includes those keywords. For example, your article structure might look like this. Main topic, best email marketing tools. Sections inside the article, free email marketing tools, email tools for small businesses, best beginner-friendly email tools, comparison of top email platforms. One article, multiple keywords. That's the power of keyword clustering. So let's do a quick recap. Keyword clustering means grouping similar keywords together and targeting them in a single piece of content. This helps you rank for multiple keywords, create better content, and build strong topical authority in your niche. In the next lesson, we will talk about LSI keywords and semantic SEO, and how search engines understand the context and meaning behind your content. So keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.